Welcome to our room tour of Royal Pacific at Universal Orlando, where my family and I stayed in the summer of 2021. Royal Pacific is a premier resort which gives you early park admission 1 hour before the parks open, as well as a complimentary express pass, which allows you to skip the regular lines. My family of 4 and I stayed in a water view room. The tropical feel of the rest of the resort was carried over into the decor of the room. The water views of the lagoon-style pool area were breathtaking. We could see the entire pool area as well as the water taxi area. The water taxi was a very convenient way for us to get over to City Walk and the parks over at Universal. Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed our stay here at Royal Pacific and can't wait to return.